Every community has its own story. And within those stories, people grow up learning the hidden rules of the world around them. Bridges Out of Poverty helps us understand those rules, especially how they differ between generational poverty, middle class, and wealth. The curriculum teaches a simple but powerful idea. People make decisions based on the resources they have. Not just money, but emotional support, relationships, role models, stability, and the brain power to focus. When any of those are missing, daily life becomes a tyranny of the moment. Imagine trying to plan for next year when today's crisis is already overwhelming. We're trying to focus on long-term goals when transportation, childcare, or housing is uncertain. Bridges Out of Poverty reframes these struggles not as personal failures, but as predictable outcomes of limited resources. What the curriculum offers is a shared language, a way for educators, employers, service providers, and community members to understand one another. When we understand the realities of poverty, we can build a path to prosperity, pathways that honor people's strengths, expand their resources, and create partnerships instead of barriers. That's the heart of Bridges Out of Poverty, not just understanding poverty, but building a way out. If you would like more information about Bridges Out of Poverty or any of our other poverty reduction products, click or call AHA Process today.